Subject Computer Studies. Lesson number 1, Introduction to Multimedia, Part 1. First of all, introduction to multimedia, and then I have started this chapter. What is a communications? First, communication is an integral part of our life. We use various means of communications like radio, newspaper, television, theater, movie, internet, and others. All these medium help us gain knowledge or educate. A single medium of information is just not enough to convey meaningful message to variety of audience. That is a communications. Communications is an integrated part of our life. Medium of communications just like radio, newspaper, TV, theater, movie, internet, etc. And then multimedia. What is a multimedia? A multimedia means multiple media. That means a multimedia. Multimedia means use of multiple medias to communicate. That means a multimedia. And the next component of multimedia: text, graphics, audio, video, and animation. That means the combination of all the media elements make the communications more structured and understandable to the user. That means a multimedia. Next is a multimedia computer. A computer capable of handling text, graphics, audio, video, and animation is called a multimedia computer. This is a term of communications, medium of communications, multimedia, component of multimedia, and then multimedia computer. This is a term. And the next topic is a multimedia. Multimedia component 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 component in this multimedia. First is the text. Second is a audio. Third is a graphics. Fourth is a animation, and fifth is a video. Computer play a vital role in the development of these media elements. A computer capable of handling a text, graphics, audio, video, and animation is sometimes called a multimedia computers. That is a multimedia diagram. And then use of element of multimedia, just like images, animations, text, and then interactive objects. That is a elements of multimedia. Yes, I will discuss one by one element of multimedia. First is a text. What is a text? Text is including text in multimedia is the basic step towards development of multimedia presentation. Text is used to communicate information to the users. Proper use of text and words in multimedia presentation will help to communicate the idea and message to the users. Text can be of any type, a word, a single line, or a paragraph. The textual data for multimedia can be developed using any text editor. However, to give special effects, we need graphic software. We can even use word processing software just like as a OpenOffice Writer or Microsoft Office Word to create a textual data. And then the text can have different types of size, color, and style to suit the professional requirement of the multimedia software. Just like this slide, right hand side, Gujarat, Gujarat, and Gujarat. That is a simple text. Observe that the sample and they look the same. This is because they have a different typeface, font, and size. First is a typeface, a family of characters or letters which have similar look. For example, Times, Arial, Courier, and many more. Typeface have different style and size known as font. Style are bold, italic, and underline. Size is the distance between the top of the letter to the bottom point. It is expressed in point, for example, 12 point, 20 point, and so on. That is a font size. Font, what is a font? A typeface having a different style and size. Second, style are italic, bold, and underline. That means a font. Next is a size. The distance top of the letter to the bottom point. That is a font size. And then point. We need a size of a letter. That is a point. 10 point, 20 point, 40 point. That is a point. That is means size point. And the next typeface. Typeface is categorized into two parts. First is a serif font and second is a sans serif font. What is a serif and what is a sans serif? Sans, that means a French words, that means without. That is a sans. Difference between serif font and sans serif font. Serif font is a decorative fonts and sans serif is a without decoration fonts. Just like serif font is a Times, Century, Bookman is a serif font. And sans serif font is a Arial, Verdana, Helvetica is a sans serif font. Serif use of on printed page or when there is a lot of text to be read. That is a serif font. And useful for heading and titles. That is a sans serif font. And due to low resolutions, serif font are difficult to read than the sans serif font. And the sans serif font is easy to read. This slide example is here. First font is a serif font, right hand sides. First font is a serif font and the second font is a sans serif font. Serif, that means decorative font, and sans serif, that means without decorated font. That is the difference between serif and sans serif font. Next topic is a OpenOffice Impress, software for the presentation of multimedia. That means font work. You also apply of Microsoft Office, Word Art, Word, Excel and PowerPoint. You have to use a Word, Excel and PowerPoint Word Art facility. Same as a font work and OpenOffice Impress. Just like is a multimedia presentations software. Font work is used to make text more attractive. Click on view menu and then toolbars and then drawing and then select font work gallery icon from the drawing toolbar. And the next double click on the font work object to enter into the text edit mode, and then you write any text, and then escape key is used to exit the text edit mode. That is a font work. Just like a slide, open Office Impress and then use to font work. Select any one of the font work gallery and then double click on the font work object to enter into the text edit mode, and you have any text, write down any text, and after then escape key is used to exit the text edit mode. That like is a Gujarat tourisms, that is a font work. Use a font work. Next, audio. What is the audio? The audible result of an ultrasound is sound. Sound is the most important element of multimedia. The term sound is used to use in the analog form and the digital form of the sound is called a audio. Next time I am repeat, the term sound is used in the analog form and the digital form of the sound is called a audio. Audio is a two part. First is a analog and second is a digital. Analog, that means your speak is a analog, and digital, that means modify your voice with any software, that means a digital, and called is a audio. In the absence of a presenter, sound plays an important role. For example, an educational studies. Every educational studies is a audio. That means important part of a education purpose CD. That is a digital sound called a audio. How to record your sound in sound recorder? An audio recording application provided into Ubuntu Linux click to application and then sound and video and then sound recorder. First, to start a recording, click to control and then record button. Second, to stop recording, click to control menu and then stop button. And then to play back the recording, click to control menu and then play. That means playing your voice. To run the audio mixer, click to file menu and then open volume control. That means you have changes the audio recording and the mixing others audio. That means a audio mixer. Audio file extension, you have to use .mid, .midi, .rm, .ram, .wav, .wma, .mp3 and .mpga. That is extension of audio files. Next is .wav is the most popular uncompressed sound format on the internet. That means all the internet audio file is extension is a .wav. And next the .mp3 is the new compressed format for the recorded music. That means internet available all the mp3 songs. That means a compressed format file. That means a music compressed format file .mp3, most popular and most favorite of the music file format .mp3. This is a sound recorder. And how to use a sound recorder? Click to application and then sound and video and then sound recorder. This is interface of a sound recorder. And then three types of a recorder. First is a CD quality lossless, second is a CD quality lossy, and third is a voice quality. You choose anyone and then record. Second, your recording will be start and then recording and the level will be increase the indicate of the light. That is your recorder is record. Your audio will be record. Next is a image. What is an image? Image used in multimedia can be in digital form. That means scanned image, or they are generated on the computer. That is the image. Image can be bitmap or vector graphics. First, bitmap or raster image. What is a bitmap image? Image that use a pixel map. What is a pixel? A small dot on the screen. That means picture element. That is a pixels. Next is a map, a two-dimensional matrix of dots. That means a map. X-axis and Y-axis. That means a two-dimensional. Next is the bitmap, a simple matrix of teeny dots. Each pixel contains value represent a colors. That means when the bitmap image is enlarged, it will be blur and pixel will get enlarged. That means a bitmap image. And then vector image. The image is stored in the form of mathematical equations. The vector image looks same when enlarged because the value are recalculated. That is a vector image. And then Image file extension is a .bmp, .gif, .png, and then .jpg, .psd, and .tif is a extension of a image file. You have used to image in web page, so that like use a extension of image file .bmp, .gif, .png, .jpg, .psd, and .tif. Okay friends, today's class is over. I will extend and remaining part in next session. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.